Double up conquer. I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now